Hey guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video, I will show you how to fix Play Store not working in Moto G77. First of all, clear cache and data. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Search Play Store. Now click on Play Store. Scroll down, click on storage, add cache. Now here you will see clear cache and clear storage and data. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache, and if you want to clear storage or data, then click on clear storage and click on delete. After click on delete, this app data included files and setting will be permanently deleted from this device. Now go back. After that, check net. After check internet, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart your device. Now go back. After that, update apps. Open Play Store. Click on your profile icon. Click on manage app and device. Click on update availables. Now here you will see update apps. Select app that you want to update. After selecting app, click on update. After click on update, selected app will be updated from your phone. And if you want to update all app, then click on update all. After click on update all app will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting. Scroll down. Click on system updates. Click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory reset. Open setting. Scroll down, click on system. Scroll down, click on reset options. Scroll down, click on erase all data, factory reset, and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, photo, picture, video will be deleted from your phone. This is how you can fix Play Store not working in Moto G77. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.